Huh? You picking her up?
Oh, my brother's here and I'm not taking brother.
Take her behind that thing.
I could crawl it, dude.
Too bad, Tom.
What's that? I was one time crying.
Mike must come back.
Somehow did you? Oh my goodness, that
He
was
was like a weak ass throw down to his feet.
no shit.
There were 3 chicks. The hottest chicks you ever want to see. And they had a Hamilton, Caliber, and Lee jersey. Oh, they had almost a jersey.
Like that.
Cross now from right to left. Teenagers. Just there. These guys. These girls. Boys, girls. Girls.
I'm going to pretend to get volleyball again, so don't freak out.
Is he your mate?
No, you can go.
What's your name?
John.
What's your last name? Yeah.
Well, I already know we're 9 points to that.
That's freaking awesome.
Is it? Like down in Chinatown? Oh, I know what Bullfrog is actually.
Is that what's called Georgetown? We just call it Bullfrog.
Yeah, I could hang out at Bullfrog Inn for a little bit and get some drinks on. Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah, man.
Well, you got 2 sisters.
Oh, you guys got your team. Yeah, I got hex on for you.
You can go later.
I'm not sure if I think you gotta take some people.